Hey YouTube, it's Annette with Cascade Designs, coming to show you my chunky charms and my cards that I made for Mandiesplace swap. She's doing a chunky charm for fall, Halloween, and Christmas. So it's safe. I already sent these off so I can upload this video. And plus I wanted her to be like kind of surprised too, so I wanted to send them out and then do the video. So this is my Christmas one. These are my very first chunky charms. I have like a little candy cane on that one. And then I done some little bags, like little tag bags, or sachets rather, to go with each one. Then my Halloween one, I done Day of the Dead. You could probably see it more on her channel if she takes them out the bag. With the little skull and cross and things like that. And then I done a Day of the Dead little sachet. That's my card. I just used the fabric to put on the card. And then I didn't show you my Christmas one. The Christmas one, I just put candy canes on them. And the fall one, I just used fall colors with a little gemstone. And then my card, I just glue some leaves, put this little pumpkin on it, and then I put some gold glitter spray. Then the sachet I done, it's just a little fall fabric. And I just put a little tie at the top so that she could squeeze it. I did this one for her too, but this is for Mandy. It's a surprise, so I didn't want to show that. And then I just put thank you cards because I really didn't have time. Can you see it? I really didn't have time to make my cards, my information cards. But I thought I'll share that. Very excited. First real swap with the charms are my first charms. So there's a lot of work too. So that's it, you guys. Talk to you for another talk to you when I do another project. Bye.